Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Slime, and I have no idea how long this video is gonna be, cause well, I'm gonna show you, but I've been working on Minecraft. Now I got this idea from Punchy CP. Check out his channel, he rocks. And he made Punchy topless, and technically I liked his idea, and yeah, so I guess I made a place called, well, the Slime Kingdom, and well, hope I've been working on it very hard, and it's not that much, gosh, it's not that much, but it did take a lot of time to make the Slime Kingdom, so here we go. So I guess this is the main entrance, I guess. Not main entrance. There might be a part 2 of this. It's my aquarium, some squids in there. Here's the chest. So we'll go upstairs, I guess. I mean, up the ladder. I don't know. We'll do that later. Go in there later. And here's my wolf, my loyal pet. He's the best pet. He used to have a brother. He used to. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Kidding me? He used to. Yeah. I pushed his brother into lava. I'm a bad citizen. Okay, so anyways, that's my wolf, I guess. In the first level, if you're paying attention, oh my god. Wow, I wasn't ready for this. Okay, if you were paying attention, when we were on the first floor, you might have noticed a door. And yep, it's a farm. Stuff in the chest. Yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna go down here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the farm, and there's my aquarium. That's the entrance. That's where you saw the stuff. And there even is like that thing. It just annoys me. I learned that the hard way that it was a monster. Okay, so anyways, up here you got enchanting table, like a library thing, a jukebox. And then over anvil over here, you got more emerald, and all that awesome stuff. You even got King Noodle's Revenge in there, and I stole the idea from Punchy CP. Yeah, Punchy CP rocks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. So this is the testing lab. I stole this idea from Punchy. Oh my god, all my monster spawners in there. I guess I could spawn a thing. I'll spawn a creeper. Yeah. Okay, oh no, oh my gosh. I wasn't ready for this video at all. Okay. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Kidding me? Come on, just... Oh, in the background, that's like my mom and dad. There we go. I like that idea better. Oh, okay. I like that idea too. I just got an idea right now. Okay, so I'll just put like, oh man. Okay. So technically I'm just making like this roof thing. So if I forget, this is the roof that I can like break so I can get up. So I spawn a couple of creepers. Hope they do not blow up, because I worked very hard on this. Okay. So anyways, yeah. That's pretty much like inside. Come on. Oh, I hate iron doors. I'm bad with this. I suck at Minecraft. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look, it's only like 2 seconds to make it in the room. If you don't, sorry. here's my Pop Tropica CP Minecraft sign 101. I made it for some reason. Oh yeah, it was for my YouTube account, and I never really used it. So over here you got a sugarcane fence. I got this idea from Poonchi and Think Noodles. Poonchi took this from Think Doodles, and I took this from Poonchi, so I took it from two people. Here's a bridge. In part, I think I'll have a part 2. I'll build more stuff. So in part 2, it will lead to something awesome. I think it already led to a cave or something. Yeah, I already went down there. I think it connects to the one I was just in, like, before they even started, like, talking about the video. So, yeah, that's, oh my gosh. I hate Minecraft now. I mean, I don't hate it, it's an awesome game, but, like, I hate physics. I hate, oh, Minecraft totally breaks the little physics, what I'm talking about. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much outside. Well, I guess I could show you the roller coaster that I built. I mean, I fixed it today. Just so happens to be. Come on, let's go. So here's my roller coaster. Come on, go down. I'm sorry, guys. Minecraft just doesn't want to work for me today. Come on. Oh my gosh. I just took game mode. Survival. I'm sorry, Slimy Hut. Gosh. Ow, that. Well, where did I spawn? I died over here, right? Yeah, here's all my stuff. Putting all my stuff back just cause. So anyways, because this is my roller coaster. Yeah. I guess I could like show you. Yeah, we'll go on it right now. We'll go on it later. Actually, right now. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm ready. I'm actually gonna do this. Let's go. Where are the minecarts? Okay, I got one. I need one. Okay, how do you get up here? Guess this way. Gosh, come on. God, Oh yeah, I'm not on creative. Game mode. Creative. Okay. Then I'll just get a minecart then. From this minecart. And mine. What the heck was that? Minecart. Okay, there we go. And last time I did a minecart with TNT, and it wasn't. Trust me, it wasn't pretty. This video is like has to end soon. Whoa. Where am I going? Gosh, I can't even see. I think it's because I have like an eye problem. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I don't care. I'm gonna make it. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. How do we get in? Yeah. Okay, so we're running. Yeah. This is some of the TNT wreckage. Let's go. It's awesome, right? That was pretty much it. I'll leave the car turning. So, I hope you liked the Slime Kingdom, guys. Wait, I'm not done yet. About to be done. This is how I'm going to end off the video. Going in the conductor station. So yeah, I will have a part 2. In the meantime, I'll keep working on this. So I hope you guys like this video of the Slime Kingdom. Please subscribe to our channel, LCP Studios. Our channel, not our. And I'm just in my cave right now. I want to mine right now, but I can't. So later, YouTube. Peace.